Good morning, fellow believers. I'm reading in Genesis, chapter 1. I'm reading about the days and how God creates them, and He creates them, and He calls them good, and He approves them. I'm reading the Amplified. Now, I want your opinion on day 2, because all the days of creation, He says that they're good, and He approves them, the Amplified. It doesn't say that for day 2. Like, for example, chapter 1, verse 4. And God saw the light was good, and He approved it. And God separated the light from the dark. So there He calls day 1 good, the light good. But in day 2, He makes the firmament in the sky, and He just says there's evening and morning the second day. He doesn't say it's good. Then you go to day 3, and He says, He called the dry land earth and accumulated all the seas, and God saw that it was good. He approves it. Day 4, it's good. He approves it. So on. Day 5, day 6, day 7. He calls them good. Although I did notice that it kind of says that He approves it and says it's good on day 1 when the light's concerned, but it doesn't really say it about the darkness. Because it says in the light, and He called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And there was evening and there was morning the first day. But in verse 4, the one I read earlier, it says, And God saw that the light was good, and He approved it. And God separated the light from the darkness, and God called the light day and darkness night. It doesn't necessarily say that He's calling the whole situation good. But anyway, I want your opinion. The only thing I can think of is day 2 is where He makes the sky, the earth, the heavens. I think it should be heaven. Some say heaven. And to me, that's where Satan was allowed to roam. And so I'm wondering if that's why He doesn't call it good, because Satan is allowed to roam throughout it. What's your opinion? What do you think? Let me know. Love you guys.